Alright guys, got the engine harness all re-loomed to the proper injectors over there. So now it's time to just put it all together. Okay guys, everything is pretty much done. I re-loomed all the harness over here for the injectors, re-loomed the wire for the map sensor because it's relocated over here instead of here. Got the intake air temp sensor. I modified the radiator hose a little bit to get it to fit, but everything is good. Got the TPS. It is a very tight fit with the Supercharger. We have little to no clearance underneath, so everything fit perfectly. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill up the Supercharger oil, which is this port right over here. So we just fill it up until it overflows, and it should only take 2 of these. So I got the AC Delco Supercharger oil from the dealer, GM. So I'm gonna put that in, and then yeah, we're just waiting on the belt, and then I'm gonna set up a little base map on the car, and hopefully we can get this thing running. So let's get at it. Okay, Supercharger plug is out. Okay, made a little contraption for to fill the Supercharger oil. So we got it set up like that. So now we're gonna fill it up. Let's get into it. So online they call for about 8 ounces. So each one of these is about 4 ounces. So should be the perfect amount. You could see it's starting to drip out a little bit, and yeah, inside there, I don't know if you can see on camera, but I can see it. It's completely level with the fill plug. So we're gonna cap it off and then continue. Alright guys, Supercharger's all capped off. It's definitely quieter with the oil in it. I think that might be the money. I just got the new belt in the mail, and she looks good. So the part number was PK71635. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is unplug the injectors, and I'm gonna crank the car over to make sure that everything on the belt side is good. Alright guys, time to put the coolant in the radiator, and I'll load up a quick base map and see if well, first I'm gonna crank it over, make sure it cranks good, no issues, and then I'm gonna load up a base map. So I'm gonna quickly go in the car. Well, I'm gonna connect the battery first, and I'm gonna crank her, and let's see if she cranks. But injectors are unplugged, so should not start. Okay, we got a solid crank. Now I'm gonna double check that there's no leaks. Alright guys, so I'm just going through everything, setting up a little quick base map so I can start the car, and hopefully everything goes well and she starts. go, baby! The RSX is supercharged! Alright guys, so we got the RSX with the supercharger running. So now I'm just gonna go through everything, make sure everything's good, and then we gotta take it to get it tuned. That sounds sick. First drive on the K24 supercharged RSX. Alright guys, this is the first drive of my supercharged RSX. You let me know if you see it go too lean, just in case. I didn't hear the scrape. I don't have my bumper on. It wants to go. Like it's it's different. Right away you could feel the extra power. I was like maybe 7% throttle. Throttle, it's way too rich. Yeah, but hey, it's not running that bad. No.